Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Tiffany, and today this video will be my 3D spider look tutorial. So if you want to see this video, please keep watching.
That's good.
spider on my eye. Added the spider web, which I didn't want it that big, but it ended up being that big and I just went with it. So if you can look closely, like I'm gonna zoom in for you all, but if you see, I have a little tiny spider like hanging on the web. So I just wanted to add that little flavor, like just like make it look different a little bit. But I was on this girl live, and I think her name was like Danielle Nicole, something like that. I will put the link to her Instagram down below in the description bar. So I was on her live and she did like this type of look, so she inspired me to do it. But hers looked better than mine. But it's okay. It's like makeup is a trial and error. Like if you ever feeling discouraged or defeated because of your looks, or your looks are not getting the recognition that you need, or you don't like the looks, you can just start over and do it again. Do the same look a couple months from then, and then you will see like your growth, and you will see what you did wrong and what you need to work on. Like every look, like yeah, believe it or not, every look I do, I still see like what I could have did better. But that's just part of growing and seeing your growth, and just keep practicing and perfecting your craft. That's all that is. So if you ever feeling any discouraged or defeated, please do not give up. Keep doing it. If you love makeup and you love to do it full time and it's your dream and your passion, keep doing it. Do not let anybody or anything stop you from doing what you want to do. From Amazon, I bought like a 6-piece like last year and never got to use it. So now I just glued him with lash glue on my chest. And then this little web supposedly stuff, this is like cotton rounds. Too lazy to go get spider web stuff from Dollar Tree, but so I saved $1. So bye-bye. As y'all know, I made these earrings like a while ago. These earrings are from Dollar Tree that I just bought. And then yeah, the spider web has like diamonds on it with a cute little spider hanging on with a diamond in it also. And then the nose ring is from Wish, of course. My video, I hope y'all like this video of me doing this 3D spider look, and I will see you in my next video. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and follow all my social medias, and I will see you later. Peace and mwah.